If you're broke, busy, or just tired of trading time for money, this video is for you. Here are 5 passive income streams you can start right now with $0 upfront. And no, you don't need to show your face. Start a faceless YouTube channel like this one. Pick a niche: finance, motivation, or luxury. Write scripts using AI, generate voiceovers, and combine stock footage to create binge-worthy content. No camera, no mic, just creativity and consistency. Design and sell digital products like planners, affirmation cards, resume templates, or journals. Use Canva to create them and Etsy SEO to make them sell. Once it's uploaded, it sells 24/7, even while you sleep. Create a Shopify or Etsy store that sells t-shirts, mugs, or hoodies without buying inventory. Use AI tools to generate quotes, slogans, and designs. Connect to Printify or Printful, and they'll handle everything for you. Don't want to talk to anyone or run ads? Create Pinterest pins that link to blog posts or landing pages with affiliate links. Every time someone clicks and buys, you get paid. Upload digital notebooks, coloring books, journals, and trackers to Amazon KDP. Use free tools like BookBolt or Canva to design them. You make it once, and Amazon sells it for you, forever. Passive income doesn't mean zero work. It means you build once and earn on repeat. If you're ready to make money quietly, subscribe to Money Moves Anonymous. We don't make noise, we make moves.